Good morning everyone. So it's around 6:31. So right now we are going towards Lonavala. So this would be my second ride on the Adventure 390 and it's almost covered 389 kilometers. So mostly today it would be completing around 500 kilometers. So it's just one of my friend from KTM Adventure is coming. So we'll just go towards the Dattawada Pav, have tea and then go ahead towards Lonavala. So today is Holi and I thought I should go for a ride and then enjoy the Holi. So today is March 10th and riding on a weekday is a totally different, where you get less traffic. Trucks are there, that's normal, but the bikers who usually go for a ride are not there much. So we'll be going towards Lonavala, but we'll take a halt near Nishi land and click some pictures. So I'll be sharing those pictures. You can follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is silentbiker_kv. So all the updates regarding the ride would be shared over there. So we just had a photo shoot over here. feature, it was already there in Duke, I guess, is nice that I can connect my phone and I can change music from the display on my speedometer itself. So whichever song I am listening to is just played over there, and if anyone calls also I can see it over there. So this is one thing that I really like. So राइडिंग ऑन अ ट्यूसडे मज़ा ही आ गया है यार, क्या मस्त है। एक तरफ सूरज देवता है, दूसरे तरफ ओपन खेत है और सामने है फॉग। रोड पूरा खाली है, नहीं तो संडे के दिन कोई ना तो कोई आजू बाजू में रहता है। Bike is performing well. We had come at Tiger Point, just going back towards our home. Reached Vashi and at my place, ending this video here. And so if you like my video, do subscribe and share, do like it. Thank you everyone, bye bye.